sound?
Shh. What's that sound?
Shh. What's that sound?
Is it the wind?
Is it the wind?
Is it a tree branch?
Is it a tree branch?
Is it an animal?
Is it an animal?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Is it a robber? I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Is it a robber?
Dad, something is scratching. What is it?
Dad, something is scratching. What is it?
Shh. What's that sound?
Shh. What's that sound?
Yes, I hear it.
Yes, I hear it.
It's just a bug. No one is scared anymore.
It's just a bug. No one's scary anymore.
What was making the sound in the story?
A bug.
Who was scared?
Friends?
Or the friend? Have you ever heard a noise that scared you?
Yes.
What sound?
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm, that's right. And we can have the monkeys. What do the children first think the sound is?
The wind.
The wind, which one? Where's the wind?
The third one.
Third one?
No,
Huh?
the fourth one.
Okay.